How to print from Canva. So if you want to print from Canva, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can go for the search bar and search for Canva. So I'll be choosing the Chrome browser. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.canva.com, and make sure to log into your account. So once you've logged in, you can simply scroll down and select any design or anything that you would like to print. So for example, I'll be choosing this, my recent design. And now what you can do is simply, you can go for share, which will be on the upper right. Click on share, and then you can go for download. So go for the right side, which has that arrow, and click on the download. And here, if you want to print, then what you can do is you can simply go for the file type, click on file type, and you can choose PDF print. Click on PDF print, and here you can click on download, and it will start the download. So once it's downloaded, you can go for your downloads, which will be on the upper right of your browser, and then you can open the download. And once you've downloaded or opened the download, now here on the upper right you will have a print option. You can simply click on print, and then you can choose all of these, or you can choose the pages or the color. And once you've chosen, you can click on print, and that's how you can print from Canva. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.